Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Taking a live look across the region, foggy in Grants Pass, also seeing fog in the Illinois Valley as well. We're going to keep an eye on Medford. We'll likely see some more fog development later on tonight, especially as these higher and mid-level clouds decrease. Currently in Klamath Falls, 28 degrees and 33 in Chiloquin. Because of the clouds for a good chunk of the night, it won't be as cold as what we woke up to this morning, but still we'll likely get down to the lower 20s in the basin and some lower 30s in the Rogue Valley. Clouds will be working on out as we head through the overnight. Some low clouds and fog, though, developing in our west side valleys. Down to about 31 degrees in Medford, 23 in Klamath Falls, down to 32 in Mount Shasta, and 43 degrees the overnight low in Brookings. Tomorrow, a brighter day for your Tuesday. Breezy for the coast, the Cascades, and the east side. Up to 51 degrees in Medford, 49 in Klamath Falls, and getting up to 52 in Wairika. Taking a look at the beach hazard statement in place. It continues until 1 p.m. tomorrow for the coast. Very high risk of sneaker waves, so just be very cautious if you're going to be out and about in the morning on the beaches. There is that, again, high risk for sneaker waves. Tomorrow in the Rogue Valley, foggy in the morning with clouds and then breaking into some sunshine. With enough sun, temperatures likely climbing into the low 50s in the Rogue Valley. It will be a bit chillier on Wednesday. We'll see fog in the morning, but clouds will be going on the increased mid to high level clouds. So temperatures likely not making out of the 40s in Medford, and we do look to stay dry on Thursday. In the basin, notice the colder day on Wednesday. We have a weak storm system that's going to move through tomorrow, but really not going to provide any precipitation to the region. And it does look to stay dry in time for Thursday for the Snowflake Parade in Klamath Falls, 7 o'clock, right around 39 degrees. The skies will be mostly cloudy through the evening, but not much wind to worry about, so there won't be much of a wind chill factor at least. Here's a look at Stormcast. Tomorrow, weak storm system, shower activity mainly to our north into the east. And then as we head on into your Wednesday, areas of fog in the morning. We'll see those mid to high level clouds increasing through the day on Wednesday. And then Thursday, a storm system to our north, bringing showers in northern Oregon and then up into Washington State. Maybe at least a slight chance of a shower for the Cascades and the coast. We're going to need to watch for Friday into Saturday. This front could sag its way south, bringing a bit more precipitation to southern Oregon, but it really depends on the track of that system, and still the models disagreeing on exactly how much precipitation, exactly how wet it ends up being later in the week. But it does look like, for the most part, the higher precipitation amounts will be to our north. We'll, of course, keep you posted as we get closer. In the meantime, dry weather the next couple of days for the coast. Milder temperatures as well. Northern California likely staying fairly dry through the rest of the week. Notice those colder mornings down into the 20s Wednesday and Thursday morning. Also going to be pretty cold in the basin, down into the teens tomorrow night, and only lower 40s for highs on Wednesday. Up in the mountains, keeping an eye on shower chances late in the week into the weekend, but snow levels look to be pretty high, so mainly a rain event, not going to be building up that snowpack we need. And then in the Rogue Valley, foggy mornings over the next few mornings, and then also looking at definitely more in the way of clouds later in the week. A slight chance of showers Friday with a better chance at maybe some rain Saturday.